Hi everyone, Martin here from martinsmayhem.blogspot.com. I hope you are well. Today's card is a super quick and easy card using the Flowering Desert stamp set that's available in the Spring Summer catalogue. Shall we get started? So, move this card to the side. I am using a standard C6 card base using thick Whisper White as well as a matte where I'm going to do all my stamping. So, I'm going to stamp the sentiment to begin with. And that is going to be in Tuxedo Black Memento ink. Ink that up, and then just, it's not inked up properly. Position that in the bottom corner, like so. And that's a super cute sentiment. Be your own kind of beautiful. How adorable. So what I have done is I've already mounted my cactuses onto a clear block in the positions that I want them to be, and I'm going to ink that in lemon and lime twist like so. And what I've also got is a smaller little one here, which again, ink that up in lemon and lime, plonk that on there, and then I've got this cute little flower which I'm going to bring in Berry Burst, and I'm just going to pop that down in a few places just to give it a little some else. So that's all the stamping done. Now to show you the little pots even. So what I've done is I've cut myself a template of an angle that I like, and then this little bit I'll just line up with a strip of, this is Grapefruit Grove. Just going to line that up like so, as and where I see fit. And because I know I like that angle and I've already cut it on the other side, I can just snip it off like so. And there you have a basic pot shape. So I have already done two here with the little strips, but I've just took a teeny tiny strip, I think that's 1/2 centimetre of Grapefruit Grove, and I'm just going to do a little line and put that down like so, and that's just going to create a little terracotta pot. So I don't want them all to be the same kind of size, so I am just going to trim off the ends even, like so, so I can go there, so this one needs to be slightly smaller, and then I'm just going to do a little bit of glue on the back, and I'm using Tombow just because it gives me some wiggle room to mess around. Like so. And last but not least, there we go. Super quick, super easy. I'll just add some snail onto the back and put that onto our mat. Like so. And there you have it. There we go. I hope you enjoyed today's card. While you're here, why not pop into the description bar below where you can see a full list of the items used and also where to purchase them at my online store. While you're there, like, comment and subscribe, and why not share to your social media so everybody can see how quick and easy it is to make such an adorable card. I'll see you around. Bye guys.